Hi, I'm Hassan. Let's continue our topic, which was amplifier. This will be our, lecture two. We did the first lecture previous, so it is better to watch the lecture first before going to this. In amplifier, we will divide it into two types: open loop configuration and closed loop configuration. Open loop configuration, we already discussed it, is without feedback, and closed loop, it means with a feedback. In open loop configuration, we have these four types. The first type is voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transconductance amplifier, and transresistance amplifier. Same like that, in closed loop configuration, we have these four types: voltage series, current shunt, current series, and voltage shunt. So one more thing is there. If you wanted to name these four parts, you can also name on this. I mean to say that if you have this one like voltage amplifier and voltage series, those two names are same when we are in closed loop configuration. Current amplifier and current shunt are same when we are in closed loop configuration. Same like that, transconductance and current, this topic which is current series, they are same when we are in closed loop configuration. Transfer resistance and voltage series, both they will be same when we are in closed loop configuration. So same like that, you can also call. So in this part we have two names, each one has two names. For example, you want to name this one, you can call it current shunt, current series. You can also call it transconductance amplifier. So both will be same. So let's first discuss these four topics, each and every part, and these four topics, each and every part. Then that will be the conclusion, near the conclusion of our amplifier topic. So in this voltage amplifier,